Hi everyone! Today I made a video for those that raise their pets with the children. Our main host today will be the Maltese Acacia. Isn't she gorgeous? I will be using our SUNNYSCOPA products to make the DIY products, and she's going to tag along. Frame. What you will need for today is print on canvas sticker, inkjet printer, and a frame. First, take a photo of your pet, which in my case will be little Acacia. Getting her attention is a tough part, so make sure you have enough snacks. Adjust the image to fit into a frame, then print on SUNNYSCOPA canvas sticker. Peel off the backing to expose the sticky layer of the canvas. Place the sticky layer to fit right on the frame, then attach. Remove any unnecessary bits. Attach the fabric right down to the corner. Your awesome canvas project is finished. Cotton doll. This time we need SUNNYSCOPA print on cotton, inkjet printer, sewing machine, and a needle. Print the edited image on the cotton sheet. Cut out the image as needed. Remove the backing of the fabric and then overlap these two pieces. Sew up the pieces. Don't forget to leave a tiny hole where the cotton will go in. Flip over the doll. Then push cotton inside with a pen. Sew up the remaining bits to complete. Your doll is ready. Next is canvas sticker. If you want to decorate the doll even more, you can also use canvas sticker. Print, cut, and attach anywhere on the doll. It also comes off easily when you remove later on. Mug. To apply your favorite dog image on a mug, you need SUNNYSCOPA film-free decal paper, laser printer, blow dryer or oven, glue W1, squeegee, tissue, a pair of scissors, and water. Edit the image and print mirror image. Make sure you print on the glossy side of the paper. Cut out the image and dip in water for 30 seconds. Once the film starts to loosen, apply glue W1 on the project of interest. Apply the glue evenly and then mount the decal face down. Remove the backing and then squeegee out moisture. Heat cure the image using a hairdryer. Wait for the image to cool down, then remove the backing. Heat cure for the second time in the oven. It's that simple. Print your imagination now. Make your own personalized item and turn your home into your personal studio. Good work, Acacia! Thanks guys, and see you next time. If you want more information about our products, please visit our website at www.sunnyscopa.co.kr. You can also email us if you have any questions. I've put the email address down below.